Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the FIGSTACK application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no official application for the FIGSTACK website, you will need to download the web browser version. So open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar type in FIGSTACK.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official FIGSTACK website, from which you can proceed with signing into your account by clicking on the sign in button or sign up by clicking on start for free. Either way, after signing into your account, you will be taken into your dashboard, from which you can install the application using your web browser version. Once you have access to your dashboard, from the dashboard page, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser and then scroll down and hover over to save and share. Then click on create shortcut. And now make sure Open as window is selected. You can name your application anything you want and click on Create button. This will now immediately open up the FIGSTACK application in its own separate window. And after this is done, you will see that a shortcut has also been created on your desktop. Now you can simply double click on this shortcut to immediately launch the FIGSTACK's website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the FIGSTACK application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.